Luckily, there are lots of exercises you can do to burn fat, build muscle, and define your abs at your home. Here are the few key exercises you can do on your own at home that will increase your odds of achieving a flat stomach in 2 weeks. Before we go ahead with these simple exercises, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Side planks. Lie on your right side with your right forearm below your shoulder. Extend your legs, left foot on top of right. Tighten your core. Lift your hips to form a straight line with your body. Raise your left arm straight up. Rotate your torso toward the floor and bring your left arm under your body. Rotate your torso and straighten your left arm to return to the starting position. Start with one set of 8 to 12 reps. Repeat on the other side. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with bent knees and your heels flat on the floor. Interlace your fingers at the base of your skull. Come into the starting position by engaging your core, lifting your upper body from the floor, and raising your knees so they're directly above your hips. On an exhale, twist your torso as you bring your right elbow and left knee toward each other. At the same time, straighten and extend your right leg. Hold this position for 1 to 2 counts before inhaling to the starting position. Then do the opposite side. This is 1 repetition. Do 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 18 repetitions. Ball bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Place the ball or a weight between your inner thighs. Pull abs in tight, then press your heels into the floor to lift your pelvis, as shown, squeezing inner thighs together. Hold for 10 counts. Lower, repeat 5 times. Knee hugs. Sit down with your knees bent, your hands hugging your knees, and lift your feet off the floor. Open your arms, extend your legs to a 45-degree angle and lean back. Lift your torso, bend your knees and return to the starting position. Pilates Swimming. Lie on your belly with your arms and legs fully extended. Raise both arms and legs off the mat, lift your head and chest, and flutter your arms and legs for 45 seconds. Try these effective workouts and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.